Okay, for this tutorial we're going to talk about creating actual pages for our WordPress sites. Each time that we set up a website, we're going to set up between 3 and 6 pages for the website, besides just the categories that we set up earlier. So when you actually go to set up the pages, what you're going to do is you're going to pick between 3 and 6 of the pre-approved page titles. We have about, newsletter, contact us, or could also be labeled feedback. It's interchangeable. Privacy policy, podcasts, videos, careers, internships, terms of use, FAQ, media relations, sitemap, or also can be called site index, advertise, mobile users agreement. There are the sub pages, or pages if you will, that we are going to want on each website. So what you're going to do is you're going to kind of look at the site that we have that we're working on and the domain name to kind of make a decision about what pages we want to pick. Pick the most appropriate pages that fit the site type. Usually most of the stuff is going to work regardless. It's an ebook website. You could say that any of these pages could be put on an ebook themed website of any sort. So what we're going to do, just as an example, is show you how to make an about page. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into the CMS panel, and we're going to go under pages. We're going to go and make an about page. We have already created an about page just for an example. We're going to delete the information that's in there. Yes, normally you'd put about in the title, name the title of the page about. And then we're going to find some content for the about page. Now what you should be doing to find content for an about page is take a keyword out of the domain. Also put in the whatever page title that we're looking for right after it. So ebook and about. And just search. What we're going to do is we're going to find an about us page that is on a website that has information about ebooks. So what we find is, first one is Wikipedia, which is not relevant. We don't want to use Wikipedia because it's not really an about us page. However, the second listing from eBook Mall is actually a ebook website, and it appears this is an about page, or close to. It's information about ebooks in their business, about ebooks. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here. It looks pretty legitimate. We're going to copy all this content. We're going to go back to our CMS, paste it in. And then we're going to go through here and we're going to deactivate any links first and foremost in this content. Now this one there's quite a few, so we're going to go through and deactivate all these links. We'll keep going through here. Keep deactivating. If we want, we can just highlight everything and just deactivate that way. So there's no links left in the content. Then once that's done, we can just go ahead and click update. The About Us page doesn't necessarily have to have any images in it. So we're going to go back to our site and we're going to click the About page. We're going to look. This looks like an everyday, ordinary About page. So that's what we would do. And we're going to do another example here. If we look at our list of pages that we can pick from, and let's say do a page with videos. A little bit more difficult, but the process is still the same. Ebook, videos. Try that. Find a blog about videos. What we could also do is just type in blog afterwards. So if we find a page called videos on an ebook site that has a blog, you don't necessarily have to do that. We need to just find content that would fit that page. Since this is a blog here and it's about ebook and it has content about videos, we're going to click on it and we're going to see if this content will fit the page. You don't have to put too much thought into it. Looks as if, on first glance, this would seem appropriate for our website. So we're going to click continue reading and we're going to see the full post. There's a video in there we can use. So let's just go ahead and just copy everything. Making sure not to highlight the sidebar. We're not going to copy the about the author content. Don't need that section, just the article content. We're going to go back to our CMS. We can delete. I'm going to copy everything in. We're going to delete about the author. Our video did not copy in. So first thing we're going to do is unlink any hyperlinks that are in that page. And we can actually get the code for this video by clicking on the YouTube video and hitting share and copying hitting embed and copying the embed code, going back to our CMS and finding the spot. We actually got to hit HTML first because we're copying HTML code in, and just find a spot where we can put it since it is a video page. Go back to visual, hit update. When that's uploaded, we can refresh the page and we should see a page show up. Oh, it's saved over our about page. We're going to change this page to video, just for the example. As you can see, we made a video page now. It looks appropriate with appropriate content. To create a page about careers, we'll do an example of that. Get a new page, careers. Then we're going to go back to Google. Delete this. Ebook.